T-Speaker 222 with Dogecoin and you, and we're on a bloody Monday here as we've called off. I hope you guys have been paying attention as Matic is under 90 cents, as the entire crypto market implodes. Bitcoin's under 33,000, but each and every one of you part of the Dogecoin and you army, each and every one of you put your trust and faith in me, your portfolios are sitting 100% intact. That's my job, that's my commitment to you, and that's what I dedicate each and every day to make sure that you guys don't lose all your money, and myself included. The Dow futures is off better than 500 points this morning. And I'm going to show you what's going on across the Asian markets. This is about a 48-second video. And then I'm going to go into the charts. Make sure to hit that motherfucking like button. We got to get more people in here as everybody is bent over and getting thrusted out of existence.
Wall Street is pointed toward a lower open as the markets come off another volatile week. The Dow falling for a second day on Friday. The index is now on a 6-week losing streak. The S&P, NASDAQ, and NASDAQ 100 stretching their losing streak to 5 straight weeks. Oil prices are falling, sparked by fears a slowdown in the global economy could hit demand. Traders are also eyeing a vote by the European Union on Russian oil embargo, which is expected to further tighten global supplies. Markets in Europe and Asia are lower on.
So the Japan Nikkei is down 684%, or 2.53%. That's getting absolutely obliterated again. Shanghai Composite is barely holding on for 2.58 points, or 0.09%. South Korea Kospi was down 33.70%, or another 1.27%. So the Asian markets are looking terrible.
Inflation concerns and following trade data out of China. In focus for investors this week, reports on consumer and producer price inflation, jobless claims, import prices, and consumer sentiment.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We have a lot to discuss here. As you can see, we're bleeding. We'll start with Ethereum. We've called every single one of these targets out absolutely beautifully, and I think best in the business. Don't think, I know I'm the best in the business. As you guys know, you've been watching this unfold. Told you we're on a bearish continuation pattern. We're on a descending triangle and our technical target here. And yes, we've come down, but our real technical target here for Ethereum is all the way down at 1889. So that's still a pretty substantial drop. You're going to have bounces here of volatility up and down. There's going to eventually be a bounce to retest that 20-day and the daily. But like I said, in the weeklies, we have a weekly engulfing candle, and we're about to have a bearish cross on Ethereum as well. It's not going to be the first one, but that is a terrible looking weekly engulfing candle, and this could extend all the way down to have like a 17 to 20% this week loss if it goes right. Litecoin's down 6.47%. I hate to say this, but I've been talking about this, that Litecoin had a date with Destiny all the way down to $72.50. And you know, we've been talking about this for the last 4 or 5 weeks, to the point where Litecoin was up around that $116.70. Another spectacular call I made was Luna. As you guys have been watching it unfold, told everybody to sell out at $112 and $108, and now we're sitting down better than 50% from where I told everybody to sell. And it's hit my technical target here. It hit that $58.45. If we continue down, this is where it gets ugly. And we talked about that $30 target. This is how it can be hit. ADA Cardano is on the descending triangle as well, and it looks like hell. It broke through this mid-level, which I said it wouldn't hold, and now we're hunting down a target of 50 cents. Shiba, I told you we were hunting down to the bottom of this descending triangle if we can hold it. And it's been an absolutely spectacular call. While everybody was talking about the Robinhood listing, the big bull flag, I called 1487 as my technical target, and now we're practically there. Doge, same thing, guys. Doge broke out of the symmetrical triangle. I told you that was just semantics, and that was in a much bigger descending triangle. And I said our first target's down here around 10 cents, and we're hunting that, ladies and gentlemen. Doge is down to 11.732, and then we've got Matic. Poor old Matic down, broke this descending triangle as we thought it would, because I said we were hunting the uptrend. Remember, X marks the spot. We're looking at a 75-cent target, and I don't see any reason why we're not going to hit it. Make sure to hit that like button. Doesn't it feel good to go, market's going to shit, portfolios lost 0.